Hi, I have a few more instructions for Module 4. This one is the car flyer. So go ahead and open the link, car flyer. And the first thing you'll do is select the title and change the font size to 36 points. And the font style, you can choose anything you want. I'm going to go to, I think one that I like is Vladimir. You can change the font color to any color you'd like, and you could put it in bold. Select description and put that in size 18 and bold. Size 18 and bold. Mustang GT Fastback should be in all uppercase. So select Mustang GT Fastback and select change case uppercase. You don't have to type anything over and it changes automatically. Select the rest of the document. In the book it says to go to size 16, but I'm going to use 14 and I'll explain why in a minute. So 14. Asking price should be, and the colon, in bold. Too good to last should be in bold. And then the last two lines should also be in italic. So asking price is in bold, not the actual amount. Too good to last is in bold and italic, and the other sentence is also in italic. Your name, select, should be your name. The items listed about the Mustang GT Fastback, select, and they should have bullets. We've done bullets before with the cat and the dog and the squirrel. The default bullet is a solid circle, but I think I'm going to go for more, define new bullet, in picture, and I'm going to type Mustang. And I'm going to go for the Mustang logo, which is the horse. So maybe I'll type Mustang logo. There we go. You can select anything you'd like, insert. There's your little preview, and OK. Now, the logo is really small, and if I want to increase the size of the logo, right now I'd be increasing the size of the font of the text. So I'm going to click over on the logos and then increase the size of just the logo. Good. Now, this is in portrait, so if we were to view it, one page, this is portrait. I want to change it from layout, from orientation portrait to landscape. That's why I had the font changed to just 14 and not 16. Now, a new feature I'd like to show you. We've done the borders and the page color, but I'd like to put in the background a picture of a Mustang. So click Design tab. Over on the far right, we've already done page borders and page color. I'm going to choose Watermark. We could have on the back of it confidential, do not copy, draft, but instead I'm going to go to Custom Watermark, select Picture Watermark, select Picture, and I'll type in Mustang sports car. And when you're selecting a picture, each picture is different. You want to pick one that doesn't have a busy background, so more or less just the car, and then click Insert. Make sure you uncheck washout or you won't be able to see the car. And then I'm going to click Apply. There. Now, sometimes the scaling may be different depending on what picture you select. You may have to choose a smaller scale and apply it to see if it's the good size for the piece of paper. But you can pick any car you'd like, and you may have to change the scaling of it depending on how it shows up on the screen. So that would be too big. So you decide what would fit nice and apply. Once you're fine, click Close and save and submit. You've created a vintage car for sale flyer. Thank you.